She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and do another mashup recipe. You guys, I'm sure, have had the spaghetti tacos before, but today we're going to go ahead and make some taco spaghetti. So yes, we're going to take all those wonderful flavors of a taco and pretty much mix that in with some spaghetti noodles, and it's going to give us a wonderful and delicious taco spaghetti. So if this idea sounds good to you guys, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to drop me a comment down below, guys. Share this video out. Share this video out. I repeat, share this video out. Share this video out. I'm just kidding. I definitely appreciate it, guys. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Where did you come from?
Meanwhile, let's get...
Alright guys, so here we have the finished taco spaghetti. So I just went ahead and loaded the spaghetti with all of my favorite taco toppings. So I have in there some cheddar cheese, there's some tomatoes, some green onion, a little bit of cilantro, and then of course I've got some sour cream over there as well. You can go ahead and load it with whatever your favorite taco toppings may be. I'm pretty sure you're still going to enjoy it because it still will give you that ultimate flavor you're looking for, which is a taco, even though we're eating spaghetti. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the video, and hopefully it gave you maybe a new idea of something that you can try with the ingredients you might just have sitting at home already. So guys, if you did enjoy my video today, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, please drop me a comment down below. If you can guys, share this video out. I always appreciate that so much. And then if you're not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that little bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So make sure you turn that bell on, guys. You guys, thank you so much for watching and take care. Bye, guys.